Hello. Yes, hi. Oh, you want me to knock on it? Go ahead, put it over your head. Oops, sorry, Petey.
Hello, peekaboo. Okay. Peekaboo.
Hi. You want to put it on your head? Are you going to stand in it now? Where are you going? You want to see?
See.
Okay, but before we do that, I'll show you. Izzy, can you say bye-bye? There's the pail. I know, but we have to say goodbye now. That's Petey and that's my legs. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Oh, it's not working. Hold on. Alright, Izzy, look. Can you say bye-bye?